Today, I'm going to show you how I tripled my Wi-Fi range without buying a range extender, repeater, or even a mesh system. Just 3 simple tweaks, and boom, full house, garage, and backyard coverage. So first things first, placement. Most people don't realize this, but where you place your router makes a huge difference. In my case, the router was sitting on the floor behind the TV, surrounded by cables, the console, and speakers. Pretty much the worst spot possible. Here's what I did instead. I moved it higher up, roughly at desk height, around where my laptop usually sits. I made sure it's out in the open, not behind electronics or inside a cabinet. And I placed it right in the center of the house. Routers send signals horizontally, like a big donut, so if it's on the floor or stuck in a corner, you're literally wasting half the signal. Once I fixed the placement, the coverage almost doubled instantly. Even the garage had strong 2.4 and decent 5 GHz signal. Next, let's talk about optimizing Wi-Fi settings for your space. Everyone knows 2.4 GHz travels farther but is slower, while 5 GHz is faster but shorter range. So, I set up the 2.4 GHz band for smart devices and things farther from the router and saved 5 GHz for my phone and laptop that stay closer. But the real game changer was reducing interference. Wi-Fi works on radio waves, so if you're in a crowded area, like apartments, overlapping channels can kill your speed and your range. Here's what I changed. For 2.4 GHz, I stuck with channels 1, 6, or 11, the only non-overlapping ones. Then I changed channel width from 40 MHz down to 20 MHz. That might sound slower, but trust me, in busy areas, it's actually faster and more stable. Think of it like traffic. A smaller scooter can slip through jammed lanes better than a supercar. Same goes for Wi-Fi. Narrower channels can travel further and avoid congestion. After these tweaks, my signal improved by about 5 to 6 dBm across the house, backyard included. Now the final step, enabling beamforming. Beamforming helps your router focus the signal directly toward your connected devices, instead of broadcasting it in all directions. Basically, it's like your router saying, "Oh, your phone's over there? Cool, I'll send more power that way." I enabled both universal, implicit, and explicit beamforming in the router's advanced settings. Universal works with older devices. Explicit beamforming is smarter and adjusts signal based on feedback from newer devices. After turning both on, I finally got solid Wi-Fi even at the far end of the backyard, which means, yep, the Wi-Fi range officially tripled. So yeah, no extenders, no mesh, just smart setup, that's it. Simple changes, huge results. If this helped you out, don't forget to drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.